Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and practicing these skills which I taught you in previous videos. So basically Canva is a very good tool to earn money online or for our own personal use. So now in this video tutorial I will teach you how you can create Facebook shop ad in Canva. Facebook shop is like a marketplace on Facebook in which you can list your products and sell online through Facebook. So it is a very good uh, skill to sell or for your own use. So we will let's further ado and we will create a Facebook shop ad. So I write here Facebook and shop. That's it. So it gave me Facebook shops ad and the size of this is 1200 pixels multiplied by 628 pixels. So I click on this and after that the next page is loading and it show me different templates of Facebook shop ads. So let's see. Yeah, these are very good templates. So I click on create a blank Facebook shop ad and we will choose one of the template and customize it according to our need. So it is loading. Its speed depend on the internet speed, so let's wait for some seconds. So let's assume we make a Facebook ad shop ad for a clothing brand. So I write here in templates clothing, and it provides me different templates according to clothing brands. So I like this one, so I click on this and I change according to our shop. So first of all we will put logo and we go on element and search element and here clothing. Here I write clothing and we choose graphic according to our niche. So I like this one. This is a good logo. So I click this text and put the logo here. So it look good. Yeah. So here I write my store name, new collection of I write some dummy brand like EDM, RDM, coming soon. Here I want to change the picture of this girl, but I think it's look good, so I will not change. But I want some to add some elements, like I write here fashion. So it provides me different templates according to fashion. So it look good here, and I would like to change the background color and the image. So I write here uh, model So it provides me different model images, and that's it. So I like this image and I click on edit photo and remove the background color of this photo, and that's it. I increase the size of the image and flip this image. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn skills and earn good amount of money. So you can also check my Canva free designing course playlist, where I taught different small skills to work on and earn good amount of money by offering your services or uh, your own for your own personal use. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.